So, hello and welcome. Today, I wanted to talk about organizing. So, have you noticed like when you go to organize a room, one, it's like really hard to start, or then once you start, it seems to take you longer than it does other people? Ugh, yikes. So, everywhere you thought that there was a limitation in you, that your organizational skills weren't up to snuff, and all of that, do you choose to release, let go, and or allow all that to be removed from your reality now? Ugh. And everything that's saying no, freeze all, pre-scan all, pre-tag all, pre-ID all, pre-encapsulate all, whoosh, out, 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 out. Ooh, banish, vanquish, banish, vanquish, banish, vanquish. Yeah, so I've been doing organization of my house, and one of the parts that most people don't understand is when you're moving items around, when you're picking them up, when you're organizing them. Well, we as energetically aware, energetically sensitive people, we perceive the energies and emotions that are embedded in that object, or it can reactivate or remind us of our experiences, our emotions that we were going through when we first bought that item or the last time we moved or touched it. Ooh, yikes. There's a lot of energy on the last time you moved or touched it. So all the items that you're surrounded by that have embedded energies that when you move or touch them, those energies are activated, you perceive them, everything that brings up, do you choose to release, let go, and or allow all that to be removed from your reality now? Ah, yes, I choose that. Vaporize, liquefy, vaporize, liquefy. Yeah, and then the other thing is that if you haven't moved something for a while, there can be stagnant energies that are in it, around it, hiding behind it, especially like in the back of a room, in the corners, or in the back of a cabinet. Woo, yikes. Yeah, so all the things you just don't even want to touch because they have funky energies around them. Well, do you choose to release, let go, and or allow all that to be removed from your reality now? Ah, yes, I choose that. Vaporize, liquefy, vaporize, liquefy. Yeah, so this is one of those reasons why it can take a lot longer for us to organize things. Because when we're picking something up, we're not just picking this item up and deciding if we need to move it over here or to pick it up to clean it. When we're picking up, we perceive all those energies and emotions. Whew. So that makes it a lot more challenging, tiring, and when you're having to deal with those emotions, it just makes everything take a little bit longer to kind of decide what you should do with it. And you've probably noticed the opposite happens, like when you're at somebody else's house and you're helping them clean and organize, how it's so much easier for you. Woo. And that's because you don't have those memories being activated. You don't have the emotions associated with the items that you're moving or helping people clean out because they're somebody else's. Now, you still can perceive the funky energies that are in there, and that's okay. So one of the parts is when you're perceiving these energies and emotions, you just have to notice that, oh, this is what's going on. You're perceiving these energies and emotions, and then just run some basic energetic clearings like we're doing right here. You can say even something as simple as, oh, everything I'm perceiving, everything this picking this up brings up. Whoa, yikes. Yeah. So everything that picking these objects brings up, everywhere it's activating memories and emotions from the past. Do you choose to release, let go, and or allow all that to be removed from your reality now? Ah, yes, I choose that. Vaporize, liquefy, vaporize, liquefy. Yeah, and so the whole part around all of this stuff is one, if you just recognize that it's more than just picking up and organizing something, picking up and moving something out. You're interacting with all these energies. When you understand that, it's just like, oh, it kind of helps prepare you to makes it easier. And you also don't start judging yourself by thinking you're doing something wrong. Because one of the things that often happens to me and might happen to you is you're going through things and you pick something up and then you start thinking about things or start getting distracted. Whoa, yeah. So everywhere when you're organizing, you pick things up, you get distracted, you go into memories of the past, you start down thought tangents. Woo, you choose to release and let all that go. Woo, yes, I choose that. Vaporize, liquefy, vaporize, liquefy. Yeah, and if you're doing a big clean out, a lot of times that can activate all those energies and emotions and even entities and other energies that are hiding in places because you haven't looked there for a long time. Whoa, so all the entities that you don't want to interact with when you start organizing things, freeze all, woo, pre-scan all, pre-tag all, pre-ID all, pre-encapsulate all, and whoosh, out, 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 out. banish, vanquish, banish, vanquish, banish, vanquish. Yeah, and like I was saying, is if you're doing a big clean out or you're going through a lot of challenges in your life, if you have my audio, This Changes Now, that's available for purchase on my website. Um, I'm doing a ton of clearings in that. It's basically like you're having me right there with you, going through all the energetic things that we as energetically aware people go through, we pick up. It helps clear out those energies, sometimes even before you realize that those energies were building up. Woo. Yep, so you can purchase that on my shop, or if you don't have access to that, just anytime you're interacting with objects, you're moving things around, you're cleaning. Oh, this is another thing that's kind of cool, is when you're doing organizing and then cleaning, you're also clearing out energies and funky things. So it's even if you're just doing physical cleaning, that's also energetically clearing at the same time. Wow, yeah. So this is a tool that you can use when you're in a funky space too, and you feel like you're having a hard time clearing or doing those sorts of things. You can start energetically clearing. And one of the other parts that I don't recommend this enough, but if you're having a funky day, you're exposed to funky energies, taking a shower or a bath, woo, to clear out those energies, to clear off those energies that are on your surface, on your skin, can make a huge difference. Awesome. Okay, so what's everything that cleaning and organizing brings up? Yeah, and all the judgment you have that you're supposed to be cleaning and organizing, that you should have already been cleaning and organizing out these rooms. Woo, we all have that, but all of that do you choose to release, let go, and or allow all those judgments of you to be removed from your reality now. Ah, yes, I choose that. Out, 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 out. Banish, vanquish, banish, vanquish, banish, vanquish. So I'm Max Riggs, Energetic Awareness Explorer, and your energetic guide. And I look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye for now.